it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel.
You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart.
Saturday, April 26th. It is the weekend before my birthday, and my mom is coming down the stairs at the moment. So today we have a couple errands to run because we are preparing to go to Florida on Tuesday for my birthday. So we have some errands that we have to do. So we're getting our eyebrows done, our nails, pedicures, and doing all that. And then I'm also gonna go pick up my birthday cake today because I did order another birthday cake. If you guys have seen my video from last year, my 30th birthday, I did get a birthday cake as well. And it was so cute. It had like a little white bow. I'll pop up a picture here. I also have a whole vlog on it, but I do go to Delish Cakes. It's in Bloomingdale, Illinois. I'll leave the information down below, but they have, this is not sponsored. I just genuinely think they do really good work on their cakes. And if you wanna have a good, fun birthday cake or you want something creative out of the box, I'm pretty sure they can do it because they always just nail it every single time. Before we get into the vlog, I'll just show you guys what I'm wearing today. I have this top is from the brand Quinson on Amazon. I have these in multiple colors. I have a brown one, a white one, black one. These are my favorite little long sleeve. I guess you could say they're like Skims dupes, even though I don't own Skims, so I wouldn't know, but that's what people say. And then my jewelry, I'm just wearing a little S initial necklace that I wear every day from Ana Luisa. And then this cross necklace is also from Amazon. It's so pretty. And then I am wearing Ana Luisa earrings all the way for my earring stack. And then I'm just wearing a pair of these Halara like yoga pants, workout athletic wear. You can't see them. And then I'm gonna probably throw on either my Sambas or my New Balances. I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. We'll see, but we're gonna go get pedicures. I just wanted to check into the vlog, say hello, welcome to this day in the life, and let's get our Saturday. All right, friends, we are back home from getting our pedicures. We also picked up the cake, so let's show you guys the cake because it's so pretty. This is where we got our cakes, Delish Cakes. I'll link it down below. There's their website there if you're in the Chicagoland area, northwest suburbs. Here is the cake. So I went with like a beachy kind of like coastal vibe. I was looking up a lot of different inspo pictures on Pinterest, and I showed them a couple pictures and I sent it over, and this is what they created. Everything on the cake is edible, even these little shells. It's just so pretty, and you can see there's like little sparkles in it. They have the pearls. Absolutely perfect. They nailed the color blue that I wanted because what it looks like. So pretty. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I just want to show you, I got some PR from It Cosmetics. It Cosmetics has sent me some PR before, and I have fallen in love with their foundation, and I use it every single day, and I've actually bought it myself because I loved it so much. So they came out with their Do It All Radiant Concealer. So this is the little kit that they sent over. This is the angled concealer brush. And they also sent over the Glow with Confidence Sun Blush. Okay, this is in the shade Sun Blossom 20. It's just, you can see like a corally, peachy color. These are nice cream blushes. They're very buildable and creamy. And then they sent over two shades, which these look a little bit dark. I don't remember choosing this dark of a color of concealer, but summer is coming. So this is in the shade Light Neutral 210. This is probably going to be the better shade for me. And then this one is in the shade Medium Tan Warm, which I'd probably use this maybe more as a contour, but we'll see. We'll give these a test and see how we like them because I do like their skin products. I think they're really, really nice. So thank you to the friends at It Cosmetics for sending over these goodies.
This portion of the vlog is going to be all about my UltraHuman Ring Air. Now, I'm going to be open and transparent with you guys. They did send me this ring, but I am so pleased to share with you that it is my newest obsession. So when you go to place your order for your UltraHuman ring, they're going to go ahead and send you a ring sizing kit. And in this ring sizing kit, you want to follow the directions and wear this for a minimum of 2 days. Wear it the whole day, wear it at night when you're sleeping, when you are working out on the treadmill, and just make sure that the ring is not loose, doesn't slip off. You want it to be tighter. So you can see here I'm going in between a size 8 and a size 7. I ended up going with the size 7 because it fit best, but as you can see, I couldn't really move the ring off of that finger as easily as I did with the size 8, so that is why I chose to go with the size 7. You want to make sure that your ring isn't slipping off or sliding because it will not provide you with the accurate information that it needs to go ahead and track all of the things that it tracks on this ring. So once you pick your size, you're going to go ahead and tell them what your size is as well as the color that you want, and make sure that you scan the QR code and then download the UltraHuman Ring app. Now, once you send off your ring size, UltraHuman is then going to process your order and send it over to you. So for my Ring Air, I chose the Bionic Gold color. Now, they do have other options if you don't like the gold color. I prefer gold because I wear gold jewelry all the time. So this is just the instructions, and it's just going to give you, you know, little stickers, and then you're going to get the charger and then the cord that comes with it to charge the ring. Now, the ring does say that it lasts about 4 to 6 days without needing to be charged. However, I found the more active I am and the more I wear it, which I'm wearing it all day, I would say the charge lasts about 2 to 3 days. So it could just be me with my way I'm working out or constantly tracking my steps, but that is what I've observed over the last week since I've used it. And I also just recently went on vacation and I wore it in the ocean and I had literally no problems with it. So here I am just going ahead and going through all the prompts that's on the app to go ahead and set it up. And it works so well, and it's just honestly so easy to set up. It's just telling you all the things that it tracks, your cycle, your sleep, literally everything you can think of, heart rate, and it also tells you your cardiac rhythm. It is such a useful tool, and I am so excited to continue to keep using this. So my overall thoughts on the UltraHuman Ring after wearing it for the past week is I would 100% recommend this to anyone that's on a health and wellness journey or someone that likes to just look after their health. I think this is a great tool. I love that it tracks my sleep. I love that it tells me like my caffeine window for the day, when I should have caffeine, when I should stop having caffeine. It tracks everything, and it can even detect when you've had like a really big meal before bed because it affects your sleep the next day. So if you want to get your very own UltraHuman Ring, I will leave the link down below in the description box and my coupon code that will save you some money on your order. Thank you so much to UltraHuman Ring, and I cannot wait to keep tracking data on my fitness journey.
Alright guys, so I just set up my UltraHuman Ring. I'm super excited because I've been wanting to wear this to the gym, when I work out, going for walks, and also it helps track your sleep, which I think is going to be the most interesting for me because I always feel like I wake up a lot in the middle of the night, and I know that this is going to track that and see exactly how many times I woke up in the middle of the night, what my sleep cycle is, and it's gonna be very interesting just to like see all the data that comes from this. So I'm really, really excited to use this UltraHuman Ring. Downloaded the app, got that all set up. It's very, very easy, self-explanatory. You guys saw me just kind of plug it in and just go through all the prompts that the UltraHuman app has. And the app is free, which I absolutely love. Love the fact that their app is free to use, so you don't have to pay extra for a subscription like most other competitive ring brands on the market currently. So that is all of that. I am now going to get ready and we are gonna head out to go get our nails done and our eyebrows. So blue nails are going bye-bye, and we're gonna go get some French, maybe ombre, I don't know, either French tips or we're gonna do like an ombre color. So let's go get our nails done. Good morning, everybody. I am looking so rough right now. It is about 7:15. It is Sunday morning. Allergies are in full force kicking my butt. Like my eyes are super irritated this morning and super puffy, and I sound congested, but we are not sick. We have allergies. I just took my allergy medication actually. Woke up early this morning because I am gonna get ready to go to mass. I am trying to get better at going to church every Sunday, and I started going again, and I want to keep going. It's at 8 a.m. I prefer to go to the earlier mass in the morning because like by the time I get out of there, I would like to go to the gym after, get a workout in, and then I like to prep for my week on Sundays. So this week is a little bit different because I'm not going to be like meal prepping or anything this week because I'm going to be in Florida for the whole week. We leave on Tuesday, but usually I would get up, go to church, come home, go to the gym, and then I would come back home and meal prep for the week, but we're not going to do that today because we don't have to do that today. I've been using the Inkyless Bioactive Ceramide Repairing Plumping Moisturizer. They sent this in PR and I love it. They also sent over the Ectoin Hydro Barrier Serum, and I love this as well. Both work pretty well. I'm not going to fill in my brows or anything, but I am going to set them. This is the Control Freak by NYX Eyebrow Gel. I love this. I was using like that Essence one for the longest time, and then I came across this one, and I've been loving it. So I'm just going to brush out the brows so that they stay down, and just a teeny little bit of concealer just to cover up the redness because it's like pretty red. I'm using the House Labs concealer. Just a couple dots. I think I'm going to add a little bit under the eyes because they're looking super discolored at the moment. To kind of help with that discoloration under the eyes and it being so puffy, I just kind of want to brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to wear my glasses anyways, but I just still want to cover up some of that redness. We have a lot of redness going on. And then I am going to take whatever's left on my powder puff from yesterday. There should be like a little bit of setting powder on it, and just set that because I don't want to put like makeup on, you know. Okay, so that's all for the eye. That's all for the skin. Next, what I'm going to do is just curl my lashes because I'm not putting on mascara or anything, but I just want them to look and appear a little bit more open. That's gonna be all for the makeup because, again, like I said, I don't really want to put on makeup today. So for my hair, I'm just gonna leave it. I think I might add a little bit of, actually I don't think I even need dry shampoo today. We don't. This is just curls from yesterday that have fallen, so we're just gonna leave it, and we're gonna go put on some jeans, I think. So let's get dressed, and then we really have to start leaving. Okay, friends, we are about to go into church. I am just wearing this little cardigan sweater from Shein, and then I'm wearing a black t-shirt from Target, and then I'm wearing my favorite Old Navy jeans with these little booties that I got from H&M. No, these little booties that I got from DSW. So I am going to go ahead and put this camera away, get all my stuff together, and then head into church. On our afternoon workout number 2 of the day, I'm just doing a quick little walk because I didn't do any cardio at the gym. I'm just gonna do like a little, I think I'm only gonna do 1 lap around this little reservoir area, and it's about like a little over a mile. So I'm gonna do 1 lap around that, and then I'm going to head back home because it is the perfect day outside. It's so beautiful, and I just this good weather just makes me so excited for the week to be in sunny Florida. I cannot wait. But anyways, let's get this walk done, and I'll see you guys later. Also, I've been wearing my UltraHuman ring, and I absolutely love it. Now, this is the first day that it's collecting data on my app that I have, and I've been checking it constantly, and it is so crazy how it starts picking up your stress. The thing that I like about the UltraHuman ring is that it's actually tracking everything, like your steps. You don't have to go in and put your workout in. It already kind of does it and can sense when your body's doing it. It's showing your heart rate. It's also keeping up and letting you know where you are in the day, if you're stressed, relaxed, if you're just stimulated. Like, it is so interesting to kind of see your metrics and learn more about yourself. I'm super excited tonight to see how my sleep looks, because that is the most interesting thing to me, because like I was saying earlier in this video, I have a hard time sleeping at night, and I just really want to see what it picks up, what it says about my sleeping patterns. I see what it says all about my sleeping patterns and all of that fun stuff. So I'm very excited. So far, so good. I love the ring because it's super lightweight. I don't even realize that it's on. Sometimes you would think that like a big chunky band is going to be uncomfortable, but this one is so comfortable. I have no issues with it. Doesn't slip off or anything. Went to the gym with it, been wearing it all day. So I love this UltraHuman ring, and I'm so excited to share with you guys that they offered me a discount code for my viewers only. I will leave it down here in the description box as well as annotated here on the screen. Definitely check it out. UltraHuman, thank you so much for my ring. I am so excited to keep wearing it and testing it out, and I will keep you guys updated.
Always waking up many troubles, but I think you just cut them in two.